Hey guys, Jaybee from Jaybee's World here. Thanks for watching. This is a quick tabletop show and tell on my two favorite handguns in the world, my Glocks. Gonna show you two different Glocks. My Glock 21, third generation, and come in this Tupperware style container. I suppose this is what most of your Glocks have come in, what you've seen as well. This was gifted to me by my grandfather. Thank him very much for this. This was the most excellent thing I've probably ever received. Big ass heavy gun, but I love it. That's what makes it a 45. It's got a lot of call it battle scars if you want to, but being a new shooter, I've put it through its paces. Dropped it on its rear sights. Those aftermarket True Dot night sights are awesome. But I've dented those in. Dented them right back out. Came with two 13-round magazines and a 10-round magazine that I carry jacketed hollow points in. I'm fairly accurate with this thing. I mean, it was what I learned to shoot a full-size Glock 45. It's what our sheriff department carries locally. It's unmatched. So it's a nice little package it comes in. Perfection. On to the brand new Glock 17. Got this in February. Or was it January? I guess it was January 2010. Happy New Year. Yes, we can. Glock 17 come with first the back straps. Interchangeable back straps, excellent addition. If your trigger pull's weird, if you got short hands, long hands, skinny hands, fat hands, good things to have. Sorry this video is so choppy, by the way. This is all post-edit and I can't control it now. So, 17-round magazines, came with 3 of them. Big selling point. Awesome to have. Of course, jacketed hollow points. I think those are MagTech. Onto the pistol itself. Light firearm. Not heavy at all. Beautiful mechanism. Love the new frame. The polymid grips. That thing just digs right into your hand in a good way. It's a good kind of hurt, Narrow frame, but still full size. I couldn't go with a G19. It didn't feel right. The 17 was all I wanted. Gen 4. I don't know what they did, but they did it right. Awesome New Year's present. Thanks for watching, guys. I haven't been able to get out the range. Weather's crappy, but I'm gonna make these little indoor videos, keep you entertained till I can get out and make them go bang. Thanks for watching. Rate if you like, and subscribe.